Hello students, today we will discuss how we can apply formulas in the worksheet area. As entries go in Excel, formulas are the real workhorses of the worksheet. If you set up a formula properly, it computes the correct answer when you enter the formula into a cell. From then on, the formula stays up to date, recalculating the results whenever you change any of the values that the formula uses. You let Excel know that you are about to enter a formula in the current cell by starting the formula with the equal sign. If you put any equal sign, then it indicates to the worksheet that you are going to write a formula. Most simple formulas follow the equal sign with the built-in function such as sum or average. You can see in the name box, it is written as sum. It is the by default function used by the Excel sheet. You have put equal sign here and it's showing sum here. Whenever you remove this, the sum will be removed from your name box. Other simple formulas use a series of values that contain values separated by one or more of the mathematical operators like plus, it is used for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk is used for multiplication, slash for division, and caret, it is for raising a number to an exponential power. You have plus, you have minus, you have asterisk sign, you have slash, and you have a caret here. Sorry, slash. Okay. Now how to apply formulas between two cells? Let's have a look. Select cell C2. We select this cell. Okay. Now we type a formula here that is starting from equal and it is going to multiply the contents of cell A2 and B2. So you have to write here A2, the multiplication sign B2. It is going to give the calculation into cell C2. Now, when we press enter here, we are having 0 as a result because we haven't put any value on column A and column B. Just write here 4, write here 5. The answer you have is 0.002. We have only put 4 and 5. Why is it showing 0.04 and 0.05? Because in the file options we have marked the selection that is fixed decimal point. We have selected this one. That's why it is showing in the points and 2 places of decimals. Now it was the cell multiplication. We can also use the same multiplication as equal sign A2 plus plus B2, and you press enter, you will get the answer 0.09. So it is the way how to calculate among the cells. Now the another way to calculate is you just select You just select the C2 cell, type equal sign, select cell A2. We just put a value here like 3. Here you put 7. Now you just put equal sign. Select cell A2 in the worksheet by using the mouse or the keyboard. We selected this one. Okay. And we select this one. You can see the value is changing in this cell. When you select B2, it will be converted to B2. If you select A2, it's converted to A2. Type any sign, arithmetic sign that you want to do here. If you want to do multiplication, now select another column, that is B2. It is another way to calculate by just pointing the cells. You have not written the A2 and B2 with your keyboard. You have just pointed the cells A2 and B2. Now if you click the, it's B2, sorry. Yes, now you click the enter button and you get your result. So it is the pointing method which is more useful than writing from your keyboard. The method of selecting the cells you use in a formula rather than typing their cell references is called as pointing. On most of the devices on which you are running Excel 2016, pointing is quicker than typing and certainly reduces the risk that you might mistype a cell reference. There is a more important point in this, that when you use any formula, like you use A2 into B2, and you want to use braces in this, brackets in this, then only these round brackets are referred by the Excel. You can't use the braces in Excel sheet. It will give you an error. And you can't use the straight brackets in the Excel sheet. It will also give you an error. You only use these round brackets which can be referred by the Excel sheet. So it was all about how to apply a formula into the cells in worksheet area. Thank you.